How to turn off setting restricted by TikTok to protect your privacy. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do it. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First and foremost, make sure that your application is updated. Head over to Play Store and at the top search bar, type in TikTok. If you see update sign here, tap on update. Once done, tap on open. Now make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account, then go onto your profile on your bottom right. Tap on 3-bar icon on your top right and tap on Settings and Privacy. Under Content and Display, tap on Content Preferences. Then you want to tap on the option that says Restricted Mode on your second option. As you can see, this is turned on. If you would like to turn it off, then tap on Turn Off. Now I had set a password before turning on the restrictions. If you have done the same, then type in your password and tap on Next. Just like so, this is how you can do it. If you would like to reverse the process, then it's the same. Go on to Settings and Privacy, go on to Content Preferences, and turn it off just like that. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.